My name is Ryan Mashavave, and I am a student and design intern at the marketing department of PPSU. I'm currently in my third year of B.Tech Mechanical Engineering, and I am set to graduate next year. When I first came to university, I was meant to only study mechanical engineering. But with the various interactions and activity with the quality staff and faculty of PPSU, we've been enabled as students to try out new activities and new things so that we may continue to discover ourselves as students. In future, I hope to pursue higher studies. I also hope to be part of something much bigger than myself that will contribute to the betterment of society and for a better tomorrow. As mechanical engineers, we're meant to understand systems and how they work. What I love about my specialization is that it allows us to work with others, and I work with my seniors to gain valuable experience and insight for the future. Initially, when I first came to university, I thought that university was all about development of individual skill. But I've come to learn that collaboration is key, especially when it comes to working with others and for innovation for a better tomorrow. In future, I ultimately hope to be part of something much bigger than myself that will make significant contributions to society and for humanity for a better tomorrow.